In today's video, we're comparing Safari, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Brave to help you figure out which browser is actually best for your needs. We're going to look at the things that matter most in everyday use, like speed, privacy, RAM usage, battery life, extensions, compatibility, and overall user experience. By the end, you'll have a much clearer idea of which browser fits your device and your workflow. If this comparison helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another tech tutorial. Alright, let's get started. First up is Safari. Safari is Apple's default browser for Mac, iPhone, and iPad, and that gives it a big advantage if you already live inside the Apple ecosystem. Because it's built specifically for Apple devices, Safari is usually very fast and very power efficient. That means better battery life on laptops and mobile devices, which is a huge win if you browse a lot throughout the day. Safari also includes strong privacy features like intelligent tracking prevention, which helps reduce cross-site tracking without you needing to install extra tools. Another major benefit is how smoothly Safari works with Apple services, iCloud Sync, and features like Handoff. The main drawback is that Safari is only available on Apple hardware, so if you use Windows or Android, it simply is not an option. Next is Google Chrome. Chrome is the most popular browser in the world, and for good reason. One of its biggest strengths is website compatibility. If you want a browser that works with nearly everything online, Chrome is usually the safest choice. It also has a massive extension library, so you can customize it with tools for productivity, security, shopping, note-taking, and more. Chrome syncs beautifully across devices when you sign in with a Google account, which makes it convenient if you use a phone, laptop, tablet, or desktop. It's also updated frequently, so you usually get new web features and security improvements very quickly. The downside, though, is that Chrome can use a lot of RAM, especially when you open many tabs or run multiple extensions. So if your computer has limited memory, Chrome may feel heavier than some other browsers. Now let's move to Mozilla Firefox. Firefox is a great option if privacy and customization matter to you. It includes enhanced tracking protection, which helps block trackers and gives you more control over what websites can follow you around the web. Firefox also supports a strong extension ecosystem, so you can add useful features without feeling locked into a single company's system. Another reason many people like Firefox is that it's developed by Mozilla, a non-profit organization, which appeals to users who want a browser that feels more independent. In many everyday browsing situations, Firefox can use less memory than Chrome, which is a nice advantage for performance and multitasking. Of course, performance can still vary depending on the websites you use and how many tabs you keep open, but overall, it remains a strong all-round browser. Finally, we have Brave. Brave is built on Chromium, so it looks and feels similar to Chrome in many ways, which makes it easy to switch to if you're already used to that style of browser. What makes Brave stand out is its privacy-first approach. It blocks ads and trackers by default, which can make websites load faster and reduce data usage right away. Because it automatically blocks so much background tracking, Brave often feels very quick and efficient. For people who want a cleaner browsing experience without installing extra ad blockers or privacy extensions, Brave can be a very appealing choice. It also tends to be efficient with system resources, which is another reason many users recommend it for everyday browsing. So which browser should you choose? If you use a Mac, iPhone, or iPad and want excellent battery life plus tight Apple integration, Safari is probably the best fit. If you need maximum website compatibility, a huge extension library, and deep integration with Google services, Chrome is the strongest all-purpose option. If you care most about privacy, customization, and a browser that feels independent, Firefox is an excellent pick. And if you want built-in ad blocking, strong privacy, and fast browsing without extra setup, Brave is a fantastic choice. The truth is, there isn't one single best browser for everyone. The best choice depends on your device, your habits, and what matters most to you personally. If battery life matters most, Safari wins. If compatibility matters most, Chrome usually wins. If privacy and control matter most, Firefox and Brave are the front runners. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more browser tests, software comparisons, and helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.